Hey everybody, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got an absolutely beautiful brokerage boat to show you today. This is a lightly used 2024 Key West 239 FS. Super clean boat, loaded with amazing features. Black hull, chrome decals and boot stripe. Comes with the trailer that you see here. Tandem axle aluminum bunk trailer. Boat's powered by a Yamaha 250 with about 76 hours on it currently. It's got underwater lights, color matched underside of the hard top, black powder coating, awesome seating package. Gorgeous boat, look at the shine on it. It's got the GPS spot lock rode on 120 volt trolling motor. Keep you on your spot without having to mess with the anchor. Just a quick exterior walk through, and I'll climb up on the boarding ladder here on the stern. You do have a transom door walk through here, but got the camera in my hand, so I'll just step over. Really nice size cockpit. You got a pull out cooler drawer right there. Live well under the mid bench seat. Removable cushions. They stay indoors to maintain their cleanliness. Coming up here to the dash, got Garmin electronics. You got your GPS here, VHF up in the hardtop locker. Again, 76 hours. Here's your dash switches, macerated fish box, live well lights, underwater lights, raw water, fresh water, Sea Star. You got your Bennett trim tab controls, all down, all up with LED indicators. Your Bluetooth Clarion. Really nice, comfortable bolsters and armrests. Again, we're on the 239 FS, which means your forward seating is always a nice option on this boat. Very comfortable. All of these seats and the backrests are removable. Obviously the bolsters stay put, but give you an idea. You've got storage. This is insulated, so you can use that as a cooler, so you don't have to go to the cockpit. This is your fish box, which is also macerated. You've got dry storage under both port and starboard, as well as your anchor locker and the trolling motor. It's a big trolling motor for the rough seas. Powder coated, black color match hard top. We got speakers, lights, rocket launcher, mesh storage right there for your life vests. You've also got more rocket launcher back here on the back of the leaning post. Rod storage under the gunnels. Raw water right there. More rod storage. Nice little cubby. You've got your battery switch. We got it on all. There are two batteries. One for the house, one for the motor. And then the trolling motor battery is this 36 volt lithium battery, and the engine actually charges it from the alternator, which is awesome. So you can use the trolling motor at your first spot catching bait, and when you're running to your next spot, the battery is actually getting charged again. Really nice feature and add-on. You've got your porta potty right there, as well as storage. Nice size console on this size boat. Again, guys, my name is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Thank you for watching. Let's get you out on the water.